Today, I have a really fun video for you guys. We're going to repair and restore damaged old photos, and we're going to use AI. Hey everyone, Dams here from Wondershare UniConverter. So let's begin. I have these old photos for demonstration purposes. They're all black and white, some of them are damaged, but we're going to turn them into nice colorful images. Don't get me wrong, they're already nice, but we'll fix them up a little. So we're going to use the UniConverter for this purpose, which you can download from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then, after you open it up, click on the Tools menu here. Now scroll down to the AI Labs section, and then here click on the AI Image Enhancer. This AI tool has multiple functions. I'm not going to go over all of them, but if you hover your cursor over them, you can read a brief description as to what they are for. However, we're going to use the old photo restorer and old photo colorizer functions. But first and foremost, import all of your old damaged photos. You're going to see them down here because you can do batch processing. Now, the rest of the process is very simple. Choose the function you'd like to use. Then select an output folder where the files will be saved. And then click on Export All. The UniConverter will process your files in a matter of a few minutes. Now, when the process is complete, delete the ones that are on your batch list and import the ones that you've just exported. These are the repaired and restored ones, but one element is still missing: the colors. So now we're going to choose the old photo colorize feature. Click on it, then click on Export All. And just so you know, when this process is finished, we're done with restoring our images. So what do you say we take a look at them? Really nice in my opinion. So, what do you think? Do you like the results? If so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know for any topic requests, but I'm going to thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.